හරි. අපි එතකොට by now we have completed properties of acids and we move along to uses of some acids. Again, it is up to you. We'll read it out. We have selected several acids. Actually, three of them are there. Two are very strong acids and one is a weak acid. Hydrochloric acid, removal of rust in steel objects. Right? Making gelatin from bony materials in the food technology. Bone swelling, gelatin separate. Making aqua regia, which is a very strong acid. It's a combination of concentrated hydrochloric acid and concentrated nitric acid. So then that the mixture of acid, which is the aqua regia, is capable of dissolving gold and platinum even. Then sulfuric acid, production of fertilizers such as ammonium phosphate and ammonium sulfate and triple superphosphate. Making battery acid, production of paints, plastics and detergents. Concentrated sulfuric acid is used as a dehydrating agent and water අයින් කරන්න පුළුවන්ලු. Drying gases වේලන්න පුළුවන්. හරිද? Acetic acid is actually the dilute one is called the vinegar. So vinegar is the dilute acetic acid. Coagulation of rubber latex means once the rubber latex is collected, they have to be converted to a sheet rubber. Rubber sheet එකක් කරන්න ඕනේ. sheet එක කරන්නේ රබර් දානවා මේ ට්‍රේ වගේක් තියෙනවා ට්‍රේ එකට අඟල් 4ක විතර ට්‍රේ එකක්. පොඩි ටැංකියක් වගේ මේකට දාලා ඇසිටික් ඇසිඩ් දැම්මහම ඒක කෝගුලේට් වෙනවා මිදෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ මේක අරගෙන රෝලර්ස් වලින් තලනකොට වෝටර් අයින් වෙලා රබර් ඉතුරු වෙනවා. ඒ රබර් එක වේලලා ස්මෝක් රූම් එකක් තියෙන එකට දාලා දුම් ගහලා එක්ස්පෝර්ට් කරනවා දේවල් කරනවා. හරිද? Then production of photographic films අර ඉස්සර කාලේ තිබ්බ reel එක දාන කැමරාවල photographic film එක හදනවා. Used in the paper industry, production of synthetic threads in the textile industry. ඒතර ඔයාලට පුළුවන් මේ විස්තර ටික මෙතනින් පටන් ගන්න කෙටියෙන් ලියන්න. හරි, you can start now. I think time is enough. Then we come to the bases. So the substances which show the opposite properties of the acids are called the bases. Okay. Now here we are. And again, just like the acids, there should be a definition for the bases also. So they are telling bases are the substances that can increase the OH minus concentration in an aqueous medium. So that is the definition. You can write the definition by looking at this. Base is a chemical compound that increases the hydroxyl ion concentration of an aqueous solution. So you can write the meaning of the bases in that box. You can start. හරි ඒක හරි. ඊට පස්සේ in aqueous solution, sodium hydroxide ionizes as follows and contributes to increase the OH minus concentration. මෙතින් NaOH AQ arrow Na plus AQ plus OH minus AQ. You can write that in that box. Then by අපි 4:30 විතරනකම් පොඩ්ඩක් කරන්න බලමු. හරි. So we try our best to finish the lesson. ඉවර කරගන්න පුළුවන් වුණොත් ඊට කලින් හරි කමක් නැහැ අවත්තන්න පුළුවන්. questions උත් මොනවා හරි දුන්න එකත් ඔයගොල්ලෝ පොඩ්ඩක් කරලා තියන දැන් නම් බලන්න බැරි වේවි. ඊළඟ දවසේ හරි බලමු. questions ටික කරලා තියන්න. Right. Again, strong bases and weak bases. Now, depending on the releasing of OH minus amount, again, it can be categorized, right? Before that, mainly bases are encountered as solids. Ammonia is a gas showing basic properties. Aqueous solutions prepared by dissolving bases in water are used in laboratory experiments. Below are some examples. මෙතින් මේවා තමයි bases වලට example. මම board එකේ දානවා ඔයගොල්ලෝ ලියා ගන්න. Some bases, right? Sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. So those are some examples where you can write in that boxes. No particular order, you can ලියලා දාන්න. Okay. After that, strong bases. We will come to the definition. The bases that completely ionizes in aqueous solution are called strong bases. All the molecules are dissociated. So that's the meaning. You can write the meaning there, that box. The bases that completely ionize in aqueous solution are called strong bases. Right. After that, you can write the examples for them. Now, sodium hydroxide, how it dissociates. Potassium hydroxide, how it dissociates. May they come strong acids the method dissociation. NaOH arrow Na plus plus OH minus, KOH arrow K plus plus OH minus. Right. Then we come මෙතන දාගන්න weak acids නෙමෙයි මේක ඔයගලගේ tube එක සමානට හරි ඇති weak bases කියලා තමයි මෙතනට එන්න ඕනේ weak bases not acids මගේ මේ pdf එක ටිකක් පරණයි ඔයගලගේ tube එක හරි ඇති weak bases so the weak bases again the definition the bases which partially ionize in aqueous solution are known as weak bases example ammonia solution ammonium hydroxide that's what you can write there clear. After that, properties of bases. Again, you have to fill it by yourself. Let's go through. They have a slimy texture as in soap. Now, when you touch soap, you know that the slippery nature of the soap, right? Again, that is due to the sodium hydroxide, which is used to make the soap, especially the one that used to wash clothes, right? එතකොට sodium hydroxide if you touch, then it is not advisable to touch the sodium hydroxide වගේම හරි සැරයි. The dried version, dry sodium hydroxide, you can keep on your hand because I have done that. That is dangerous, right? You can't keep it for a long time because the moisture removing from your palm get combined with the sodium hydroxide and gradually you feel your hand is getting heated up. අතර අත්කන ගතියක් දැනෙනවා. වැඩි වෙලා ඉන්න බෑ. ටක් ගාලා sodium hydroxide අයින් කළා අත හොදන්න. ඒක හොදනකොට පුදුම සෙවල ගතියක් තියෙනවා. සෑහෙන වෙලා හොදන්න මේ slimy ගතිය ආවා. හරි, that is the characteristics of a base. Bases react with acids to give salt and water. මේක මම කිව්වේ කලිනුත් මේක ලිව්වා. ආයිත් ඒක තියෙනවා. Acid, base, salt and water. Then bases can turn red litmus into blue color. That is test to identify bases. හරි. ඒ ටික තමයි properties එන්නේ. ඒතකොට example කීපයකුත් තියෙනවා. sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide. ඕවා තමයි එන්නේ. ඒ විස්තර ටික ඔතන අපි පොඩ්ඩක් ලියමු. ඔතන box එකේ. Properties of bases. හරි. clear. හොඳයි මම හිතන්නේ විස්තරය ලියලා ඇති. පියන් ඉදිරියට. Uses of some bases. Let's go through. Uses of some bases: sodium hydroxide, production of soap, paper, artificial silk, and paints. Used in the laboratory as a strong base. Refining petroleum products. Then magnesium hydroxide suspension of the milk of magnesia is used as an antacid to relieve gastritis. So in other words, acidity in the stomach. Then the purification of molasses in sugar industry. So those are the uses of bases. You can write that information also. මේක session එක විනාඩි 2කින් close වෙනවා ආයි lock වෙන්න. ඔක්කොම නම් බැරි වෙයි අපි පුළුවන් ප්‍රමාණය බලමු.